American healthcare is in trouble, but luckily artificial intelligence is here to help. Even before the pandemic, American healthcare was suffering from an epidemic of physician burnout, and 3 years later, it's so much worse. Luckily, we're living in a time when artificial intelligence is finally beginning to deliver on the promises that we've been hearing about for decades. So one of the biggest ways that I think AI will help is with the electronic medical record system. The EMR is one of the biggest pain points for nurses and physicians alike. What started out as a really good idea for basically providing a digital way of preserving patient medical records has transformed into this horrible situation. Satisfying the EMR takes more time for physicians than actually interacting and treating patients. The most exciting thing that I've seen when it comes to AI that will help with this process is something called ambient clinical intelligence. This technology aims to basically act like a behind-the-scenes medical scribe. And while you're talking to a patient, it'll be creating your note for you, it'll be intelligently recording your note in a way that's easy to understand, and it'll also be able to help you with the next steps that you talk about with the patient. If you say the next step will be a follow-up appointment, it'll help you do that. If you say the next step is a CT scan, it'll help you order that as well. One of my favorite creators on TikTok is Dr. Flecken. He's an ophthalmologist, and one of his coolest characters is Jonathan, who's a scribe who basically takes his notes for him and helps him write orders, among other things. But a scribe is a luxury in medicine. Most physicians do not have a scribe because they're expensive. Healthcare systems cannot afford to give scribes to everyone. But in the near future, artificial intelligence will be able to act like a Jonathan for all physicians. I think this is one of the most exciting things coming to healthcare in the near future. Let me know if you agree, and make sure to follow for more.